If your ignition barrel needs replacing or rebuilding, here's how to remove it from the steering column on a Mk8 Transit. First, you'll need to remove the shroud that goes around the column. This is held in by two screws, both underneath. Once you've managed to remove the two awkwardly placed Torx drive screws, you'll be able to turn the steering wheel so that you can see one little clip on each side. Once you push that in, it'll free up the shroud, and then you'll be able to pop the top cover off first. Once you've popped this off, you can then have a go at trying to get the bottom half off, which is a bit fiddly, and it's a lot easier if you don't have a key in the ignition, because you can't get the shroud past the key. Once it goes, it'll just fall out as if it was never even held in there anyway. This will then give you access to the steering lock column, which is what you want to get to remove the barrel. You'll need the key in the ignition for this step, and it will need to be turned to position 1. Looking up underneath, you can see there are two little holes. You'll need a little pick tool or a drill bit or something to try and push up the little locking pin. You'll probably have to push one and then the other, but keep fiddling with it and it'll suddenly just let go. So here we have the new barrel. It's a surprisingly easy install job. We've got the key already turned to position 1, and you just push it into the housing and it clicks in. Simple as that. Then we're going to put the lower shroud back on, which seems to have forgotten that this is actually where it fits. And then we'll have to put the top shroud back on. Then we'll pop the two screws back in underneath and then call it a day. Job done.